Okay, question 4, all about embedded systems. So an embedded system is just a device that has a microprocessor built inside to it, and it does a specific job, for example like a vending machine or a washing machine. So something like that. It's got some kind of computing inside it, some computer power, and it's doing that specific job. So give two characteristics of an embedded system. So it's a system designed to do a specific task. So we can maybe start off with that. System to carry out a specific or dedicated task or limited set of tasks, I suppose. So it might be able to do more than one thing, but it won't, be many more things. So, and then another characteristic. So it has to have some kind of computing inside it. So it'll have a microprocessor. So a microprocessor is just a very, very small CPU-like device. It could just be a CPU, or it could even be a microprocessor. Could have things like the ROM and the RAM all built into one single chip. System designed to carry out a specific limited set of tasks. It should be able to work continuously or without human intervention, and it should also have a CPU, a microprocessor inside it. Remember, a microprocessor could be a CPU, or it could be a similar device that has a CPU with ROM and RAM all built into a single chip. So I'm going to go with has a microprocessor built inside to it. I could also have said that it can carry out its task repeatedly without human intervention, something like that. Okay, circle 3 other examples of embedded systems. So we've said as an embedded system is a device that has a microprocessor built into it, and it's designed to carry out its task over and over and over again, and it carries out a specific task. So if we look at these, let's rule some out. So a laptop isn't designed to do a specific task. It can do many different things. Same for a smartphone. So let's have a look. Personal computer, very similar, can do many different things. Web server, again. So anything that's a computer, an actual computer, we can rule out. That leaves us with a freezer, dedicated system, designed to freeze your food, essentially, and it can do that over and over again. A vending machine, dedicated system, just designed to give you Mars bars and crisps and things. And then really we're left with the security light system. So I guess it's designed to turn the lights on and off at night. So again, quite a limited set of tasks. Let's have a look at the mark scheme for that one. So there's quite a lot of characteristics that they've kind of built into this, what we call indicative content. So these are just examples of correct answers. These aren't all the correct answers, and this isn't the way that you're definitely expected to write the correct answers. So I've said systems carry out a specific or a limited set of tasks. So we've got here performs, they've got limited, dedicated function. So there's lots of ways that we could write that. I've also said has a microprocessor. And what else have we got that's any good? So dedicated hardware, so it can only do one thing. Firmware, so that's really talking about the sort of microprocessor and having the sort of software and hardware built into a device that you can't change. So you can't, it says here, you can't reprogram them. So yeah, there are lots of other things, but actually what we said in our answer here, embedded systems carry out a specific set of tasks or limited set of tasks. They have a microprocessor, and also this one as well. I just learned works automatically, can work continuously without human intervention. Okay, looking at part B, we've got we've just identified 3 that would be embedded systems. The others are all pretty much computers that aren't designed to do specific tasks. Okay, right, thank you very much. I'll stop this one and we'll move on to question 5.